are on the road again. Seems like it never ends. It's a Thursday morning. We're headed after a blue Ford Fusion this morning. I got the Winterton rollback all fired up, and we're gonna sneak up on the Winterton twist and gather this thing up. Apparently it's just sitting on blocks out in the middle of a field, so somebody must have stolen it and high-graded the parts off of it. So we'll get up the road and we'll take you along for the ride. Man, it's gonna be one of those days when you get a GPS coordinates from dispatcher, you know that it's gonna be a rollback on a dirt road day. We're working our way in here, nice and easy. Might take us a minute to get there, but we're getting there. We're bearing down on the GPS coordinates. No idea.
That good?
That ain't ever any fun. What do you do with a car like this? They total them. They just total. Stolen out of Pleasant Grove. Poor dang thing. But what do? You got to drag them on and get them out of here. Get them back to the repair shop. Go from there. Down in there in the Winterton rollback, took it nice and easy, and we was able to just kind of get up underneath it and scoop it up. Obviously it doesn't feel very good to drag one of these nice looking cars on the back of the rollback, but thankfully it was a Ford, so it was no big deal. Didn't break my heart any. That's just from my brother-in-law, by the way. Anyways, we're gonna work our way out of here nice and easy. Got a little rollback on a dirt road action this morning. When you live in the middle of nowhere, you get to occasionally take your rollback on a dirt road. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and we will catch you on the next one.